In this video I'm going to show you how to do the quick setup of your Canon Imageclass LBP 236dw laser printer. Switch on the printer and go to the control panel. In the panel, select your language, select your country, select the time. Now enter the date and time. It will ask you if you want to use it as a remote UI. You can select yes or no. So I'm just going to do the no right now. On the next page it will ask you if you want to connect it with the home or office network. You can click no and it will show up the main screen. Next step is to connect this printer with your laptop or MacBook using a USB data cable. Next step is to connect it with the laptop for printing. You can use a USB cable, so this doesn't come with the printer, you have to buy it separately. And if you want to use it on the Wi-Fi, you can do the Wi-Fi setup. And the other end goes to your laptop. So printer is installed and we are ready to use. Now we can start printing. For example, if I have a document to print, select any document to print. Select LBP 236 laser printer, and then this printer is capable of printing on the both side of the pages. You can just select long edge, and if you are printing a lot, I think that's a good option, and then click on the print. So that's our printer printing now. So that's the printout. So this way we can do the quick setup and we can start using this printer. Thanks for watching.